Yeah, this is Sturgeon Bay up north. It's about 30 miles from north of Green Bay. Sturgeon Bay. We come here just look around, see what's going on there. It's a beautiful place here. Yeah, we're saying this resort right here.
Bridgeport something, Brightport, Bridgeport.
Yeah. Yeah, this place is beautiful. Never been here before. Just first time here. Look at the water.
You know, you don't have to stay here. You can basically stay anywhere. You can drive
Yeah.
here and park
Yeah.
and sit around.
Yeah, beautiful place. Look at the water. It's crystal clear. You can see the people boating over there. Look at the water, really crystal clear.
You barely go down and
Yeah.
eat at the close and go,
Where?
right?
No, this is a great water. This is a big resort.
Không có để mình thọt on.
Yeah.
Dớn dớn nơi thành cây cái nơi đào.
It's a nice resort here. That's where we're staying. I wonder what kind of fish is in there down. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my fishing pole and try it out today or maybe tomorrow. Or...
Đang có dớn mà mau bị lụm như cho nên chờ nó.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a guy fishing over there. So see the boat there? Yeah, he must be fish. Yeah, this is the see we stay in this resort right here. This see you can there's a pool right there.
Look at elephant. What time they close the pool? Đó lại nhé. Trong anh dây cần mau cái thằng she come she stay here.
What kind of elephant is this? A mammoth. It's a nice mammoth, eh? Yeah. Hey, who is this? What does this say? Bring Wooly home to the Ice Age Trail in the city of Sturgeon Bay was made possible through community donation.
Stand on the rock, man. Stand on the rock.
Ah. Woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoth.
Hãy cứ cho con. Cứ đưa đây.
Yeah, water is pretty clear though. You can see beautiful. Nobody fishing. That's it, eh?
Oh, mình stay cho khóm tiền. Well, go downstairs.
Sure.
Chứ? Sunday. Ôi, chị miếng đấy nhở?
Where?
Mình quậy đá ra nó xây không?
Small community here. We're gonna,
Look at the kind of like that.
yeah, we're gonna walk
Are you sure that that?
across the bridge.
Wow. Trời ơi. Tại ban là thằng đánh đây. Thằng Lưu Đa bán đấy hả? The side here across the bridge there.
Big boat there. Is that a tour boat? I think.
Hey, you got my phone right there.
Yeah.
Right there, tour boat right there. John. Mà đẹp bán đấy.
Don't know.
The tour boat đấy.
It's a big boat.
Mình spend đây cũng không có tiền.
Yeah. Hello, Nurse. Hello. It's nice on this side. All the boats there. Yeah, there's two bridges. That bridge and this bridge right here. They have a sidewalk on the side right here. You can walk along, across the bridge. Yeah, this is a small community. I guess a lot of tourists come here, hang out here. It's kind of a little chilly now. I think over there, right here, right in front of us, where they make what Terry, what do we call it? They probably they build boats over there, I think. Right there, right in the front. Oh, you ever see that? There's a stop. There's a stop sign, a stoplight on the bridge. Oh, this bridge probably gonna over.
What?
Shit.
How did it?
Yeah, this bridge probably opening up. Probably a boat going through, right? It's a boat going through.
Oh, look.
Oh yeah, it's open up, right? Yes, it's yeah, the bridge raised up for the boat to get through. The bridge is not tall enough. See, it's opening up. Lift it up. Fish here. Yeah, on this side of the bridge they have a lot of place you can shop, I guess. A lot of
Park place. Mall. There's mall.
the marketplace, Park Place Mall.
What the hell? George. What is it, George? What?
George Drape,
George.
Drape jewelry, watch and jewelry. the marketplace.
Is it grocery store or?
Probably. No. Closing. Yeah, this the side of the bridge are more, I guess, more shopping place. So
Restaurant there,
there's some restaurant here.
walking
Yeah.
Orlando.
You got
Restaurant
yeah,
here
places
too.
to eat.
Third Avenue.
It's all the restaurant here. Del Santo.
Close. One of the close.
They always have this kind of fish here. What is that, like a mint?
Trong lại đi sắp thấy mới thấy của lại.
Yeah, this is bass around the bay. What is it? They have this all over the place here.
Close. They close Thursday. T-shirt, souvenir. You want t-shirt, souvenir?
Yeah, this place at nighttime, everything closed early. Not many places open after like 9 o'clock or so.
Not a fish.
Yeah, there's a lot there here. All right, let's cross.
Movie theater in front.
Movie theater, yeah, no. Chiefs Save the Day, a family-friendly fun fest. I don't know what Chiefs Save the Day is. Sunset Beach. Park and Beach. Oh, shopping place, but that's Sunset Beach, whatever we went to.
Oh, the one we go last night.
Yeah, they have souvenir right here you can buy. Yeah.
Trong cái gì
Hey, nail inspired.
Blue, red, pink, that's it.
That's it?
Bài
Yeah,
khác.
that's it.